Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Once again, welcome to yet another supremely amazing session from BioPoint Stream the World of Bio. I hope I'm audible, clearly audible to each one of you. You can hear me. This is aim at 100K day 3 for NEET 2021-2022, and you know what's the aim of this particular session? So this is an amazing Telegram group at BioPoint New where we conduct regular discussion, polls, quizzes, updates on our classes, daily questions, everything will be conducted at this particular Telegram group at BioPoint New. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave the comments about this session on the comment section of the channel. This is our NEET 2021 crash course. Join our Telegram group at BioPoint New to know more about the crash course NEET 2021. So this is our day 3 for Plan Kingdom for aim at 100K Bio points. Stream the world of bio from the once again welcoming you all to this super amazing session on Plan Kingdom. So this is our day 3, third chapter from class 11th NCRT. First question on your screens. Which of the following groups of algae produces algin? Phaeophyceae and Chlorophyceae, Rhodophyceae and Phaeophyceae, Chlorophyceae and Rhodophyceae, Phaeophyceae only. Previous year AIMS question. After a long time, for the question is option number D, Phaeophyceae only. So, which group of algae produces algin? It is Phaeophyceae. What do you mean by Phaeophyceae? Phaeophyceae means brown algae. Okay. Second question. Which one of the following is wrong about chara? Upper oogonium and lower antheridium, globule and nucleus present on the same plant, upper antheridium and lower oogonium, globule is the male reproductive structure. 10 seconds to answer this question because this is something which is directly taken out from the NCRT. Previous year AIPMT question. Previous year AIPMT question you have which is wrong about Khara. Look at what is wrong about Khara. The correct answer for the question is option number C, that is upper antheridium and lower oogonium. Antheridium is the male part and oogonium is the female part of Khara. Yes? Is it upper oogonium and lower antheridium? Yes. One second, let me check it out because I have got another answer over here. Yes, the correct answer is upper antheridium and lower oogonium. Next question. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in Volvox, Fucus, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra. NEET previous year question. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in Volvox, Fucus, Chlamydomonas, and Spirogyra. Previous year NEET MCQ question. Okay. Yes, guys. Answers on the chat box fast. The correct answer for the question is option number D, Spirogyra. So you have to check this, very important. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes are observed in Spirogyra. This is there in your plant kingdom NCRT second page. NCRT second page of your NCRT plant kingdom, you have this. Okay. Next question. Sphagnum is slowly carbonized, compressed, and fossilized over thousands of years to produce a dark, spongy moss called peat. Reason peat helps to keep the soil porous and it also improves the water holding capacity of the soil. 10 seconds to answer this question. 10 seconds to answer this question. Answer comments on the chat box fast. Yes? No answers? The correct answer for this question is option B. Both the statements, assertion as well as reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, so sphagnum is slowly carbonized and compressed to form a spongy mass-like structure called peat. Peat helps to keep the soil porous and it also improves the water holding capacity of the soil. But both these statements are correct, but this is not actually the reason for this particular sentence. Next question. From evolutionary point of view, retention of the female gametophyte with developing embryo on the parent sporophyte for some time is first observed in A. Gymnosperms, B. liverworts, C. mosses, D. pteridophytes. Evolutionary point of view, retention of the female gametophyte with developing young embryo on the parent sporophyte for some time is first observed in Gymnosperms, B. liverworts, C. mosses, and D. pteridophytes. The correct answer for the question is option number D, pteridophytes. Okay, the correct answer for the question, option D, pteridophytes is the correct answer for this particular question. Retention of the female gametophyte with the developing embryo, very important direct question from NCRT. Next question. Which of the following statements is not true regarding pteridophytes? Few pteridophytes are heterosporous. Spores are formed after meiosis in ferns. They possess a vascular tissue. Their main plant body is haploid. Which of the following statements is not true regarding the pteridophytes? Few pteridophytes are heterosporous. Spores are formed after meiosis in ferns. They possess vascular tissues. Their main plant body is haploid. Previous year JIPMER question. Previous year JIPMER statement. The correct answer for the question is option number D. Their plant body is haploid. That is actually a false statement. The main plant body of pteridophytes is diploid in nature. The main plant body in pteridophytes is diploid in nature and their sporophyte is differentiated into true stem and leaves. Next question, question number 7 on your screen. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer from the given codes. Chlorophyta, Lycopsida, Phaeophyta, Spinopsida, Equisetum, Cara, Selaginella, Ectocarpus. Let's check out one by one for this. Okay, let's check out one by one for this. So the correct answer for the question is option number A is the correct answer for the question. So let's check it one by one. Chlorophyta, you know that the answer should be matched with Khara. Okay, Chlorophyta, Khara. So you have two options, that is, you can cancel out option B and option B. Then remaining option A and C with A 2. B when it is mashed. Lycopsida, you know that it is Selaginella. Selaginella. So again, both the two options are retained. When it comes into Spinopsida, you will have that the option is Equisitum. And Phyophyta, you will have it as Ectocarpus. So the correct answer for the question is option number A. Okay. Next question. Question number 8 on your screens. Easy question, 2019 NEET MCQ question. Which of the following statement is correct? Ovules are not enclosed by ovary wall in gymnosperms. Selaginella is heterosporous, while Salvinia is homosporous. Host tails are gymnospermous. Stems are usually unbranched in both cycas and cedrus. Easy question. So revealing the correct answer for the question. Before we have Selaginella and Salvinia produces two kinds. Which of the following statement is correct is the question, or which of the following statement is true is the question. Okay. So Selaginella and Salvinia. Both Selaginella and Salvinia are heterosporous in nature. They are not homosporous. Both Selaginella and Salvinia are heterosporous in nature. That is, they produces two different kinds of spores. That is macrospores and microspores. Okay. Next one. Next one. Equisitum is a pteridophyte. Equisitum or the host tail. It is not a gymnosperm. It is actually a pteridophyte. It comes under the class of pteridophytes and not under gymnosperms. But the last sentence, stems are usually branched in both cedrus and cycas. Sorry, yes, stems are usually branched in cedrus. Stems are usually unbranched in. I'll show you. Stems are usually branched in cedrus, unbranched. They are unbranched in cycas. So the correct answer for the question is option A. Next question. Question number 10 on your question number 9 on your screens. Conifers. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental conditions because of broad hardy leaves, superficial stems, thick cuticle, presence of vessels. Presence of vessel. The correct answer for the question is option number C. Conifers are adapted to tolerate in the extreme habitatal condition because of the presence of a thick cuticle. Because of the presence of thick cuticle. Yes, Bhima, it is unbranched in cycas and branched in cedrus. Clear? I think it's there in the NCRT itself. Question number 10. Question number 10 on your screens right now. Four statements are given here. Four statements are given here, and you are asked to give out how many of the following sentences A to E and answer the question which follow them. In liverworts, mosses and ferns, gametophytes are free living. Gymnosperm ferns are heterosporous. Sexual reproduction in fucus, volvox, and albigo is eugamous. The sporophyte in liverworts is more elaborate than in mosses. Both Pinus and Marchantia are correct. Yes, the correct answer for the question, I am revealing the correct answer for the question as option A. Three of the above four statements are correct. Moving on to the next question. Question number 10 on your screens. Match the items in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option. Peritrichus flagellation, living fossil, rhizophore, smallest flowering plants, largest perennial alga. This is not question number 10, this is question number 11. Question number 11. So, whenever you are getting living fossil, living fossil matches with ginkgo biloba. So, match all that option related with J and cancel out all the others. B, E, L, B, K. These two can be the option. So, you can cancel out C and D. Then smallest flowering plant, you know the answer. It is option number D, Wolfia. It is option number D, Wolfia. So mark that option. B matches with N. So this is also getting wrong. So the correct answer for the question is option number A. Peritrichus flagellation. Peritrichus flagellation seen in E. coli bacteria. The living fossil Ginkgo biloba. Rhizopore in Selaginella. Largest perennial algae, macrocystis, that is there in the NCRT. Okay. So most of the question is there in the NCRT itself. So NCRT based question for your JIPMER exam. And now you know that JIPMER aims NEET, JIPMER aims NEET, everything is included under one exam. Yes. Next question. Question number 12. Gametophyte and sporophyte are independent of each other in which one of the following group? Pteridophytes, angiosperms, gymnosperms, and bryophytes. Very easy question. What gametophyte and sporophyte are independent in which one of the following? Aims simple question. The correct answer is pteridophytes. The correct answer for the question is pteridophytes. It's not angiosperm, it's not gymnosperms, it's not bryophytes. The correct answer for the question is pteridophytes. So in pteridophytes, the main plant body is the sporophyte, which is actually differentiated into true root, stem, and leaves. And the gametophyte is small, which is usually independent. Very important question from alternation of generation. Alternation of angiosperm, NCRT completely based question. Okay, for NEET, at least 50 times repeated MCQ for entrance examination. 50 times repeated MCQ for entrance exam. Life cycle of ectocarpus, life cycle of fucus. Life cycle of ectocarpus is haplodiplontic. Life cycle of fucus is diplontic. So the correct answer is option number B. Haplodiplontic and diplontic. Ectocarpus show haplodiplontic life cycle. Fucus show diplontic life cycle. I will give you a code for this. I will give you a particular code for this. I'll take a separate session on this. Okay, a few what? I'll give you a few mnemonics to remember the life cycle. Okay. A particular mnemonic for this I'll be giving you. To remember the life cycle, diplontic, haplodiplontic, haplontic, haplontic, all these life cycle I'll be telling over. Clear? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Next question, diagram based question. Question number 13. Sorry, question number 14. The above diagram, the labeling C. In the above diagram, the labeling C represents. AIMS previous year question. So what is actually the diagram? Diagram is there in your NCRT. I hope you might have seen this diagram in NCRT. This is actually the diagram of Salvinia. Salvinia, which is actually an aquatic fern. Salvinia, it is an aquatic fern. So the correct answer for the question is option number C. It is a modified leaf root. It is the modified leaf root. Okay, it is a modified leaf root. Next question number 15 on your screens. Meiosis in dryopteris takes place during. Guys, another important NCRT question. Another important NCRT question from alternation of generation area. Important. Meiosis in Dryopteris takes place during spore formation, gamete formation, spore germination, and zygote formation. Okay, Kausta, because for that we have to get what a technical team should be there. Everything would be there, right? So, but BioPoint is something where we two persons are only there. There is no technical team. Okay, there is nobody for there. It is not a big area. Okay, it's not a big turnaround which so many people are walking around together. No, okay, we itself create the slides, we itself create schedule the session, we itself pose the question, everything happens between us. Okay, so haven't thought about, so but I have certain interest of going to such kinds of platform for teaching, but now I'm not looking forward for all such things, because for that we need um now you guys also may be knowing in some kind I'll be just postponing the session due to certain internet network connections, like, so if you schedule something over there in such a kind of a big platform, but if I could yeah, we'll think about it. Okay, so the meiosis in diopteris takes place during. Meiosis in Dryopteris takes place during which stage of its formation? The correct answer is option A, spore formation. Guys, please, if you are checking it wrong, please mark it there in your NCRT. Or please write it down with a color pen or any kind of a pen in your NCRT textbook. Next question, question number 16. Pick out the group of all genera exhibiting homospory. Pick out. Question number 16. Yes? Homosporous. In question number 8, when we discussed, we studied that Salvinia and Selaginella are what? Salvinia and Selaginella are heterosporous. Right? When we discussed about question number 8, we studied that I only told you that Selaginella and Salvinia. Selaginella and Salvinia are heterosporous. I got the answers on the comment section. So cut down all the options that contains either Selaginella or Salvinia. Option A cannot be the answer. Salvinia present in option B cannot be the answer. Salvinia, Selaginella, both present over here, so that cannot be the answer. The correct answer for the question. The correct answer for the question is option number D. Equisitum, Silotum, Lycopodium, Charis. Just remember, Selaginella, Salvinia are heterosporous in nature, so you can cut down all the option that contains any one of such kind of a term. Okay, so very good. Okay, Kaustub, if you are here, you can comment out the answers. Okay, whatever be the answer, if it is going wrong, also no issue. Then only I can explain it. Okay, just comment out if you're over here. Next, question number 17. Compared to the gametophytes of the bryophytes, the gametophytes of the vascular plants. What do you mean by vascular plants? What do you mean by vascular plants? Pteridophytes. Vascular plants are the pteridophytes. So, compared to bryophytes, what is their speciality in the gametophytes of the pteridophytes? That is the question. So, the correct answer for the question, which is actually a previous year AIPMT question, the correct answer for the question is option number D, smaller. The gametophytes are smaller and to have a smaller sex organ. So, the pteridophytes, they have smaller gametophyte and have a smaller sex organ also. Next, question number 18 on your screen. Algae, that is the thallophytes. Algae, it is the thallophytes. Algae, which is the thallophytes, have cells made up of cellulose, galactins, mannans, hemicellulose, pectins and proteins, pectin, cellulose and protein, cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. You know the answer for the question, AIPMT question, but direct NCRT based question itself. Option A, the algae has cell wall made up of cellulose, galactons, mannan, etc. Clear? Question number 19 on your screens. We have already discussed the question in an assertion reason. Question number 5. Which of the following helps in peat formation? You know the answer is option number D, sphagnum. Which of the following is responsible for peat formation? Marchinsia, Rixia, Fineria, sphagnum. So the correct answer is sphagnum. No need of further explanation for that. Question number 20 on your screens. You are advised or you are asked to select the wrong statement from the following. In oomycetes, the female gamete is smaller and motile, while male gamete is larger and non-motile. Chlamydomonas exhibit both isogamy and anisogamy, and fucus shows oogamy. Isogametes are similar in structure, function, and behavior. Anisogametes differ either in structure, function, or behavior. Previous year NEET MCQ question, question number 20. The correct answer for the question is option number A. In oomycetes, that is, look, check out the oomycetes condition. In oomycetes, the female gamete is not smaller, the female gamete is larger and non-motile in nature. Okay, non-motile, larger, while the male gamete is actually smaller and motile, smaller and motile. So the correct answer for the question will be option number A. So read out the other statement. Isogametes are similar in function, structure and behavior. Anisogametes differ either in structure, function or behavior. Chlamydomonas exhibits both isogamy and anisogamy, and fucus shows oogamy. All these are the correct sentences. Question number 21 on your screen. Which of the following is a mismatched pair about the reserved food material? Question directly taken out. Question directly taken out from your NCRT on the basis of reserved food material. So the correct answer for the question, option number B. It's a mismatched pair. Reserve food of chlorophyceae, green algae, is starch. It is not laminarin and mannitol, it is starch. Laminarin and mannitol are the reserve food material in Phyophyceae. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. That is a mismatched pair. Actually, that is the wrong option. That is, it is a wrong sentence here. But in the question, you are asked to find out the wrong sentence. So option B is the correct answer for the question. Laminarin and mannitol are the food material or the food reserve material in Phyophyceae. 22nd question on your screen. Identify the parasitic algae. Identify the parasitic alga. Chara, Sargassum, Batrachospermum, Cephalurus. The correct answer for this question is option number C. Question number 22. The correct answer is option number C, Cephalurus. I will share the image of Cephalurus in our Telegram group after the session. Clear? Next question number 23 on your screens. Eye spot is the characteristic feature of. Eye spot is the characteristic feature of. Guys, important question I should say for this. Important question. Guys, eye spot means eye spot. You can also call it as the stigma. Eye spot, you can also call it as the stigma. Where is actually this eye spot found in which kind of organism? In those organisms that have a cup-shaped chloroplast. Cup-shaped chloroplast. So tell me the answer for this question. Name the organism in the given option that contain a cup-shaped chloroplast. That contains a cup-shaped chloroplast. Tell me. So the correct answer for the question is option number A. Chlamydomonas is the particular kind of organism. Chlamydomonas is the particular organism that contains eye spot or have a cup-shaped chloroplast. Question number 25 on your screens. Palmella stage is found in. Palmella stage is found in. This kind of Palmella stage and all is not there in our NCRT. So such kind of a high level question will not come for your NEET 2021. Okay, such kind of a high level question you cannot expect for your NEET 2021. Because this kind of a question came because it is a previous year JIPMAR question. The correct answer for the question is option B, Chlamydomonas. Option B, Chlamydomonas. Second question. Last and the final question. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in the immediate environment. That is a correct statement. Laminaria and sargassum are used. That is, algae increases the level of dissolved oxygen in the immediate environment. That is a correct statement. Agar agar is obtained from Gracilaria and Gelidium. Correct one. Laminaria and sargassum are used as food. Yes, option B is the wrong statement. Algin is obtained from red algae and kerogen from brown algae. Actually, algin is obtained from brown algae. Algin is obtained from brown algae. Keratin is obtained from red algae. Clear? So the correct answer for the question is option number B. Clear? So that's all about today's wonderful session. That is all about today's wonderful session. So thank you guys. See you in the next class with yet another brand new series on the chapter Animal Kingdom. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. Have a good day.